Welcome to our channel. If you need assistance with your Roku device or account, follow these steps to contact Roku customer service and get help through their live chat support. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to support.roku.com. This is the official Roku support website where you can find help resources and contact options. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the support page and look for the Contact Us or Get Help button. Click on it to access various support options available for Roku users. Step 3. You'll see multiple contact options including chat, phone, and email support. Click on the live chat or chat with a Roku expert option to initiate a real-time conversation with support. Step 4. The chat window will open and ask for some basic information before connecting you to an agent. Provide your name, email address, and a brief description of your issue or question. Step 5. You may be asked to provide your Roku account email address and device serial number. This helps the support agent quickly access your account information and provide targeted assistance. Step 6. Wait for a customer service representative to join the chat. During peak times, there may be a short queue. The system will display an estimated wait time for your convenience. Step 7. Once connected with an agent, explain your issue clearly and provide any relevant details. The agent will guide you through troubleshooting steps or help resolve your account-related questions. Step 8. Save the chat transcript at the end of the conversation if offered. This provides a record of the solutions discussed and any reference numbers for follow-up if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.